So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng phone number sa ating Facebook account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook app and make sure guys na nakalog in yung account na gusto nyong palitan ang phone number. So i-open ko yung ating Facebook account. Then pag-open na ating Facebook account guys, mula dito sa homepage, i-tap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner or yung menu ng ating Facebook. Then dito sa pinakang menu guys, i-scroll up lang natin. And then itatap natin dito is yung settings and privacy. Then after sa settings and privacy, itatap naman natin is yung settings. Then mula dito sa settings naman guys is pumunta lang tayo sa section ng account center. Then itatap natin dito is yung personal details. So tap natin. Then dito naman i-scroll up lang natin ulit guys and pumunta tayo dito sa section ng account settings and then tap natin yung personal details. So dito sa personal details guys, hanapin nyo lang yung contact information. So tap nyo lang. So dito naman guys sa contact information, kung gusto niyo palitan yung phone number na nakasave dito sa inyong Facebook, ang gagawin niyo muna guys is mag-a-add kayo ng panibagong number. Kasi hindi niyo mabubura or maaalis yung inyong previous contact number once na wala pa kayong nakalagay na kapalit. So ang gagawin natin guys is mag-a-add tayo ng new contact. So lagay lang natin add new contact. So add mobile number, since papalitan natin is mobile number. So tap natin. And dito guys, i-enter lang natin yung 11-digit mobile number na gusto nating ipalit sa ating Facebook. So for example, so ayan guys, after yung may lagay yung 11-digit phone number na gusto nyong ipalit is pipiliin niyo dito yung Facebook, lagyan nyo ng checkbox. Then after nyan, tap natin yung next. So, may magsasend na OTP code guys dun sa phone number na inilagay natin for security purposes. So, gagawin lang natin guys, ilalagay natin dito yung OTP code. Then, after nan is tap natin yung OK. So, ayan, nakalagay dito is nag-add na daw tayo ng panibagong number sa ating Facebook account. So, close muna natin. And kung makikita nyo, nadagdagan na siya ng phone number. So, para naman mabura yung ating existing or previous phone number, ang gagawin lang natin is piliin nyo yung phone number na gusto nyong mabura. So, para mabura, itatap natin dito is delete number. Then, tap delete. So, for security purposes guys, is kailangan ilalagay natin yung password ng ating Facebook account para to make sure na talagang tayo yung nagde-delete ng ating phone number. So, lagay lang natin yung password. Then, after nyo may lagay yung password guys, itap na natin yung continue. So, ayun lang guys, nabura na yung aking current phone number sa Facebook and nakalagay na is yung bago kong nilagay. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng phone number sa ating Facebook account. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.